Phil, just dig your head in there. Just right from the top.
Yeah, slide it back over. I don't play.
Right from the top, Phil. Just stick your head right into it. No, go from the top. There you go. Big bite.
Good. Get the whipped cream.
Phil, you have to take a bite.
It's all right. Leave it alone. Do whatever you want.
Just keeps on pushing it further.
Here, let me pull your hair back.
Go, Phil. Take a bite. Phil, bite from the top.
Leave him alone. Only if you want to, Phil. I don't think we need any. He's just licking the top one.
No hands.
Hands behind, Phil. Hands behind.
Start with the cherry.
Just go in.
There's your hand right there. You're going to place bets.
Go, Phil. Go. Go, Phil.
Go.
Go. Go, Phil. Go.
Go, Adrian. Keep going,
How is
Adrian.
it? Yummy?
Put your head in and eat it. You have to eat it, honey. Good boy. She's like, oh. I don't have any more hair.
Wow.
Keep going.
No, you really have to get
John?
your face in there.
Want to stop?
Keep going,
You're great.
You're doing good.
You're doing great.
Come on, everybody. Cheer him on.
Come on, guys.
Woo! Will be stand by me.
Keep going, Abe. I think we